Oh yeah.
1 second.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna try to PDR it and pay the replacement.
I'm leaving it as replaced.
Do you want it to be replaced?
Oh, I'm replacing that. I'm not even fucking around.
Well, because we're gonna try to PDR it.
If you guys want to try to PDR it, whatever you want to do, go for it. I'm ready to replace that. That thing is fucked.
Yeah, no, it is fucked.
I'm good with that.
That's some grated cheese right there.
Open link and new
But
tab.
it's cool that if we repair it and it
100%.
looks good.
Here's the thing. If I write to replace something and you guys PDR it, sweet. I don't give a shit. We won't pay you more to PDR something we write to replace. Replace is the top.
Yep.
If I write to replace it, it's fucked. You'd replace it. But if you can fix it for that much or less, sweet, go for it. You're getting paid to replace it. I don't care what you do.
That's all I need to hear, man. Well, this will go quick, man.
I'm easy.
This thing's light.
This one, I don't like fucking around. I just.
Good. I have shit to do, bro.
Dude, same. Like, today's been a shit show and a half. I'm so excited for my day off. Plus, what's with the fucking weather out here? 3 weeks straight of this bullshit.
I don't know, man.
Oh man, I was getting all excited for some like good Texas bass fishing.
I get. Ooh.
Although it should be good. I get my 1 day off Sunday.
See, so, I'm a big camper. I like to go camping. I just like to be in the woods.
Yeah, same.
And I haven't in a very long time.
We already wrote to replace this thing, so I'm leaving it.
Sweet.
Yep. So that's just staying on there as replace. Right fender.
What's up? What you want, Puerto Rico? Huh? Right fender. I'm at 51 out of matrix replace. Same thing. If we can PDR it, we're gonna try to PDR it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
Off matrix already.
34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 40, 41. How much is this?
OE price is $297.
Oh yeah, we're replacing it because we're already blending it anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna change fender to replace.
This thing got eaten.
Fender to full refinish. Clear. We're gonna leave left fender blend on.
Okay. This is a pretty ass color too, man.
Yeah, this is a cool color. I don't usually like blue, but it's nice.
It's done well.
What's your total count? I see 1/4.
I got 3. So, as long as you see one.
Included. Oh, and it's high strength steel. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Wheel opening moldings, blend. Okay. Right front.
Right what? Right front door?
Right front door.
I'm at 16.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, that whole thing's stretched, dude. I'll even give you. What are you at? 16?
Yes, sir. 16/4 and then the markup for high strength.
And 2 oversized.
Where do you see them? Ooh. Ooh. I see the exact 2 you're talking about, bro.
They're right next to each other.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
They're stretched.
Okay, let me. Did you have a pen? You genius.
Pen or pen marker.
Nah, just.
Those are stretched.
Yeah, jeez.
Okay, then we got.
Oh yeah, no, I have 2 on there.
You got to detrim anyways.
Yeah, belt molding.
We're gonna add the blend, front door.
The frame molding up here we have replace on. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there's a big old.
Oh yeah. Sweet.
And
this
then
one
yeah.
too.
There's back one.
Right there.